Yesterday we get the Korean. Good morning YouTube. Yesterday we get the Korean. Look, still dry. So we're gonna look a feed out and see what I go on. I say put them there ahead, everybody look for go and go. Okay, dry grass drying, I'm gonna cut some grass that way too. So it look like Westside, one cocoa. Remember when we there so I feed out the green and pretty. See look now. Yeah man. But the dry not too bad if you go them because them love the dry because them find up a dry thing seed. But yeah, I'll go and take a feeder now. Body on a guango tree. So go and go off it. I know them love to cherry mina. Yeah, and cherry mina tree I brought down because I can get dry and things will pop down. So yes, west side. One cocoa we take it on a level. From one step to the next step. Give thanks and praise. Me live here. I keep safe in the corona. So yeah, me I say brethren and sisters as I always say. Me I say don't make it stress you. Just know say you have to wash your hand and you wash your hand. Don't make nobody get on top of your head. Just wash your hand if you that you have to do. Keep it level and don't make the cup dash you. And yo, when I jugs you know, and if you jugs you just second look, hey, me I watch the news, yo. Them look thing them and them go on that place. Well, you kill and fight a funeral on them something there, brother. Brother, you know, can't find something better do, you know. I'm sure of that. Can't hard. If the rain a fall and dirty tough, we can still cradgy. And here, peas now go down deep in the ground or corn. You understand? So you grudgy, you know, say you get something out of it. So no make now my body tell us say you can't do nothing, man. Your hand can't too clean if you feed your own mouth, man. Yeah, so them set a goat yesterday run off there. My neighbor got them warrior them in the bush. Them not stay against nobody, they not stand still, you see me? Them a shatter. So them gone. So right now, mine are hold our ends with them and hold of them part together today. So we are looking for 5 o'clock bells to go back in. So YouTube, I just want to make a short piece here though for sure say. We get the Korean last night and we don't mind get the today again. And the sun is not hot like yesterday. You know? Yeah man. So this is it. This is where it look like, west side. This is where I live. We are thirsty right now. Need water. Yeah man, I know say south side supposed to be the same thing. So one love, peace, one God, one destination. Peace unto you and to you. Love, subscribe, and likes. Keep it running. Yeah, man.